Good afternoon, my royal family. I told you guys I would be back today, and it's collard greens and cornbread cooking time. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I do my greens. But first, let me give you all the ingredients. And you guys, please be gentle with me. I know you should really get your greens in stalks and pick them, but I'm kind of lazy today. So what I did, I went and got shredded collards, and I got them at Walmart, and I got the 2-pound bag. But of course, you're going to wash them and, cut the thick stems off and all of that, but I'll show you guys that. So I got this 2-pound bag of shredded collards, and in my collard greens, I love to put smoked turkey legs because I like a lot of meat. But I'm only going to use one of these since this is only a 2-pound bag. And also, you guys, I love using the Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies because I like the heat, a little bit of heat that it gives to the collards. And of course, we're going to add chicken stock, 1 onion, and your onion powder, your garlic powder, your salt, your black pepper. But also, I love taking one of the turkey legs and putting it in the crock pot because when I add my greens, I want my meat to already be falling off the bone. So I'm going to put one of these turkey legs in the crock pot on high for about 4 hours. Then I'll come back and I'll add my greens. But I'll show you guys what I'm about to do with the turkey legs. All right, collard green and cornbread time, baby. Okay, royal family, this is what I did. I added 3 cups of water, 2 cups of chicken broth, and that whole can of Rotel tomatoes, which was 10 ounces. And I don't want you to put your onions in here or any seasonings. We're just going to let this turkey leg get nice and tender. Again, I'm going to put it on high for about 4 hours. Then once that is done, then I'll come back and show you guys how to finish it up. All right, stay connected. Okay, you guys, I am back. I did the smoked turkey leg for about 4 hours, and I want you to see it just fell off the bone. And those are the Rotel tomatoes that you see with the smoked turkey meat. What I did after the smoked turkey got real tender, I drained the juice off and put it in a pot because I'm not going to cook the greens in a crock pot. I'm actually going to put my greens on the stove. So I drained the juice off, put the juice in a pot, and here's the pot right here. And when I tell you the broth is so flavorful, oh my Lord. I mean, it's just heaven. And you have to put the Rotels in it. Trust me when I tell you. Okay? So now, I washed the greens. I had to wash them about 4 times. They was really pretty dirty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the greens to this pot mixture. So let's just go ahead and pour this in here. Let's get this right. Okay. So we put that in there. And now what I'm going to do, wow, that looks heavenly. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to add 1 whole onion that I chopped up, all right? Let's get that down in there. And I'm going to add my smoked turkey and Rotel tomatoes back. I'm going to cook this probably for about 1.5 hours. And once it is complete, I will come back and show you guys, and we will have greens and cornbread. Oh my God, that looks amazing, don't it? Can't wait till it get done. All right, I'll be back. All right, you guys, look at this. The greens got about another 10 minutes, and then they're done. But I also want to show you at the end what I add. You're going to say, okay, kind of weird. But I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter to these greens. Wow, look at this. Oh, this looks freaking awesome. You guys, as soon as this is done, I'm going to plate these babies up. But in about 15 minutes, they will be ready. Yum. Oh. Okay. We are done. So here is the collard green with the smoked turkey leg and cornbread muffins. You guys check that out. I promise you, this is so tasty and awesome. The broth is to die for. Please use the one can of Rotel tomato, and I promise you, you're going to notice and taste the difference. And also, just wanted to say, you guys, at the very end of the greens cooking, you see this Louisiana Cajun seasoning? I added 1.5 teaspoons to the greens once they was done. God bless you, and I have one more video before Christmas. See you guys soon.